7 spending traps. Keeping middle-class families broke. There are people who earn little, yet somehow always build wealth. And there are people who earn well, yet remain financially exhausted. They pay their bills. They survive each month, but they never seem to move forward. Not because they are lazy, not because they lack intelligence, but because they are trapped. Trapped in habits that look normal, trapped in expenses that feel justified, trapped in patterns that slowly drain their future. Today we expose the 7 spending traps silently keeping middle-class families broke, and more importantly, how to escape them. Before we go further, if you value clarity, calm financial wisdom, and practical guidance for real life, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs direction, and subscribe to Wealth University. This message might not be loud, but it will be life-changing. Now, let us begin. Trap 1. Lifestyle inflation. The middle class earns more and spends more. Salary increases, yet wealth stays the same. You earn 30% more, so you move to a bigger house. You earn more, so the car must change. Your phone is still working, but the newer model looks better. This is not progress. This is repositioning comfort. Lifestyle inflation makes you look wealthy while staying poor. True growth is not seen in what you upgrade, but in what you preserve. Wealth grows quietly, not loudly. If your income increases and nothing is saved, nothing has changed. Trap 2. The EMI and installment culture. Pay small. Spread it over 12 months. It's affordable, but many middle-class families do not own their lives. Their lives own them. Every month is already spoken for before it arrives. Car installment, phone installment, furniture installment, television installment. The problem is not the product. The problem is the timing. Installments create the illusion of affordability while killing flexibility. Cash gives power, debt gives pressure, and every long-term installment is future income already spent. Trap 3. Emotional spending. Middle-class spending is often not logical. It is emotional. Stress from work, shopping, bad day, eat out, feeling empty. Online order. This is retail therapy disguised as self-care. Money is not a comforter, it is a tool. Every emotional purchase feels small in the moment, but large over time. Peace is not purchased, peace is planned. Trap 4. Trying to impress people who don't care. One of the biggest financial leaks is performance spending. Shoes to impress people who won't remember. Parties that empty savings. Gadgets for validation. The middle class is pressured by social comparison. You see someone's lifestyle online and believe that is normal, but you never see their debt. You never see their stress. You only see their highlight. Wealth does not shout, it whispers. Broke people announce. Wise people move quietly. Trap 5. No emergency reserve. Many middle-class households survive, not prepare. One sickness, one job loss, one unexpected event, and everything collapses. An emergency fund is not luxury, it is protection. It is the difference between panic and peace. Yet many prefer visible comfort over invisible security. A strong foundation is boring, but it is powerful. Trap 6. Subscriptions that drain. Slowly streaming services, app memberships, data bundles, digital tools. Individually insignificant, collectively destructive. You forget them, but they never forget you. Money leaves your account quietly, monthly, relentlessly. The danger of subscriptions is not the cost, it is the silence. Trap 7. No long-term vision. The most dangerous trap is not spending. It is aimless spending. No plan, no timeline, no wealth direction. Money without a mission will always disappear. What is the goal? Ownership, education, investment, security. If money is not assigned, it will choose its own destination, and its destination is often waste. The middle class is not poor, but they are positioned for struggle, not because they earn little, but because they do not command their money. Money must be told where to go, or it will wander. What is the way out? Wealth is not about perfection, it is about awareness. Start small. Track what leaves your account. Question every new upgrade. Delay emotional purchases. Create a monthly surplus. Build an emergency reserve. Invest with intention. And most importantly, learn to say no to unnecessary comfort today so you can say yes to freedom tomorrow. Middle-class poverty is not caused by income alone. It is caused by unconscious spending. The rich do not have magic. They have mastery, and mastery begins with understanding. If this teaching has opened your eyes, if it has shifted your thinking, like this video. Share it with someone whose future matters. Subscribe to Wealth University for more calm, clear financial wisdom.